Fireflies don't wait for the morning to shine. They light up the night. Their glow is small, but it breaks through darkness. In the same way, you may not feel like the brightest star or the loudest voice, but your light matters. You don't need a spotlight to make a difference. Like the firefly, your kindness, your encouragement, your silent courage, these are lights that guide others. The world can be dark, filled with fear, hate, and doubt. But if you choose to shine in your corner, you inspire others to do the same. You don't have to change the whole world, just light up your part of it. And if enough fireflies glow, even the darkest night becomes beautiful. Don't hide your light because you think it's small. Shine anyway. Someone out there needs your spark to find their way. Be the firefly, brave, bright, and unafraid to glow.